everybody. We have a 2022 Street Glide ST here. It has a little over 500 miles on it, and today we are going to do some really nice modifications to the bike. Starting with a new LED lighting from Custom Dynamics, probing taillights, turn signals, and a flasher unit for highway safety. We all know it's dangerous out there, so we want this bike to be as safe as we can to avoid rear-end collisions from others and to be seen out there best we can too. We're also going to be installing a set of 14-inch Apers on the bike with a nice pair of Avon grips. For performance, we are installing the Zippers 468 cam with the ThunderMax EFI tuner, S&S adjustable push rods, and new inner cam bearings. To go along with it, we are installing the S&S Power Tune headers and a set of our jackhammer slip-ons. Not only is the bike going to have a ton of power, but it's really going to sound aggressive as well. The jackhammer slip-ons combined with the S&S headers really make these bikes sound awesome. This model, the Street Glide ST, comes with a factory 117 engine, and these mods should yield an easy 130 foot-pounds of torque when finished, if not more. Samson V-Twin is located in Samson, Alabama. We specialize in late model twin cam and M8 Harley-Davidsons. This video was made on August 4th, 2022 with our full crew helping out. We did this entire job, cam installed, LED light conversion, and ape hanger install in just over 3 hours. This isn't something we can do on every job, but in this case we decided to take on the challenge and we got it done. No runs, drips, or errors.
What the fuck? I don't know.
Where's Chris at?
Hey, he's over there.
No.
And we got it on camera.
Tell us about it. What do we got?
We got a 2022 Road Glide ST. Got some 486 redshift cams in it, brand new. Did some light work. Right here, that's some new 14-inch ape hangers, Avon grips, some S&S headers, jackhammers. Right there. That's what we got.
Got the wind splitter windshield. All this was done today. All right, man. All right, let's go. Let's get it off the lift to go see what it sounds like going down the road.